Hey guys, how's it going? Swez is here. Hope everyone's well. Let's just have a quick look at FuboTV. I think I've spotted a few moves. Disclaimer, no investment advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Links to the disclaimer will be in the description box of the YouTube video. For anyone that doesn't know who I am, my name's Swayze. I'm a technical analyst based in the northwest of the United Kingdom. And I've had an obsession with drawing charts for years and years. And why can I not find my FUBO ideas, please? Here we go, guys. There we go. And I've been drawing charts and drawing ideas and trying. I'm a student of technical analysis, and I'm always trying to give myself an advantage and my students and anyone else that wants to listen. Trying to give myself an advantage in the way that the markets move because, entries and exits are highly competitive for anybody that doesn't know. And you are definitely in competition, and you're in competition against other retail traders, the market makers, institutions, brokers, and anybody else that operates in the choppy seas that are the financial markets. Now, I made a prediction with FUBO on the August the 9th, I think, or maybe a touch earlier, and did a podcast explaining all my methodologies and my TriFusion AI report, which is a comprehensive PDF with intricate financials, fundamentals, and technical analysis that we dropped for free to anyone that wanted to read it. And it's still there available. I'll redo the links in the description box. And we did a full comprehensive report with FuboTV. And like I say, we did it early. We dropped it early August, and it was absolute mega success. I think when I did the initial analysis with the technicals and the financials, I think price was around $1.25 or something like that. And then price kind of, let's just find the 9th. There we go, guys. So we've got the 9th. Price was around about $1.20, should I say. Price sold off a touch to like $1.18, then came back and then moved all the way up and tested $2.19. So my chart analysis and my technical analysis with intricate TriFusion artificial intelligence market tools. Shout out to Bob Smith, who's my 50-50 co-developer with TriFusion AI, Insightful Stock Mastery. We're looking really just to give ourselves a fighting chance when we are navigating the markets and dealing with market makers, guys. Because look, anybody that understands the charts, if you go against the market makers, right, you're going to lose. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to reveal market structure, trends, how the market's moving, what the liquidity is. We're analyzing volume. We're looking at all areas of companies, which is going to give us the heads up on where we think price may move on a chart. Now, this particular idea on the weekly chart, we're looking at FUBO. By the way, price closed. Let's just jump to the daily dead quick. And let's see where price closed with FuboTV, New York Stock Exchange, last Friday just gone, $1.78 a share. We had volume of 10.526 million, and it was down a touch, down 1.11%. That's the close we had with FUBO. I've spotted this particular idea is not a new idea. It's not a particularly new idea, but it is maturing now. And I think it's solidifying an idea. And I think looking at the chart, I think it's going to retest at some point in the near future. I think FUBO is going to be heading to $4 a share as its next major level. Right, let me show you how we're getting there on the chart. So I'm drawing a touch dominant trend line on the weekly chart, as we can see. This is the trend line. And this will be my third podcast exploring FuboTV within the last month or so. I think it's a real dynamic mover. There's some wonderful financials and fundamentals going on in the background. When I initially did the podcast on the 9th with FUBO, 9th of August last month, honestly, my own ignorance, I didn't even know about the court case at the time, and I never even knew anything about it. It was purely off technical analysis initially. And then we did the deep dive into the financials and the technicals with our TriFusion AI report. But I didn't know about the court case. A week later, I think it was a week later, or the following week after I put the podcast in on the 9th, Then we had the good news with FUBO, and they had a successful outcome against the big boys, right? Time, Disney, Warner, etc. The rest is history. And shout out to all investors with FuboTV. I have nothing but best intentions for all you guys and for this company. So back to the charts and the weekly. So what we've got here, guys, right? We've got a touch dominant trend line, but look how many touches we've got. Every candle is a week of trading, right? When we're looking at the weekly, why are we using the weekly? The reason why we're using the weekly chart, guys, is because it slows down macro action, and then I believe exposes the way the market makers may want to take price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 touches. Touch dominant trend line. Let's close that. Let's stick it to these recent swing lows, right? But look at these beautiful candles that have been forming. Look at the volume, obviously, that we had. I'm not in the move, by the way. I am not invested in this company, for the record, all right? I'm not invested in this company. It's impossible for me to be invested in every single mover that I discover. So I am not like trying to ramp this up to try and create liquidity for myself and benefit from this financially. For the record, I am not Swayzer's charts and me, John Swarbrick, aka Swayzer's, me or my companies or my associate Bob, we are not involved in this move. And I have to be completely transparent with that. It's impossible. It's impossible for us to be involved in every single winner that we spot. But it does not stop us having the passion for the way that these companies move on a chart. This is what I eat, sleep, and breathe. I'm obsessed in decoding the markets. Right, so look, the volume we had, 19th, Monday the 19th of August, 2024, mega volume, right? So 213 million volume. This is my idea, right? So what we've got with volume, we've got like foundational support in the virtual structure of this chart idea is being formed. But look at the convergence of the EMAs. We've got 20, we've got price, which recently, last week, closed over the 21. So it's been above the 21 for a while, as we can see now, and it's encountering the 50 EMA. And then we've got the 100 EMA tracking, and it's not a coincidence, guys, that the 100 EMA tracking just below $4 a share, right? And then I think the 200's tracking at about $17 a share at the minute, right? So the 200's way above price action. But do you see that when we just look at a simplistic ascending bullish channel idea, drawn with a touch dominant trendline idea, clone, stuck to the swing low, do you see that the way that it reveals upper market structure? Isn't that beautiful? So let's just look at this arc, right? We've got an arc retracement level that we're going to draw in as well. Boom, there you go. So the arc retracement, you could call it Fibonacci retracement levels, but when you visualize them with an arc, excuse me, when you visualize them with an arc retracement draw, it visually shows us where potential upper market structure. So moving forward with FuboTV, looking at the weekly chart, it looks, in my opinion, very bullish. Now, I have successfully called this stock. Does not mean that I'm going to be able to successfully call it in the future. Do your own research, seek professional financial accredited advice. Don't take my word for it. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Look, I'll stick my chart ideas in the description box of the YouTube video. Please give us a like or a follow on X and on YouTube. I'm trying to where's the price alert? Here we go. I'm trying to do more American stocks now, and it will be absolutely wonderful to get the support of American listeners and subscribers and followers. It really would. I'll probably do a Substack. I'm starting to do Substack as well, so I'll probably do a Substack journalistic, piece on FUBO as well. And I'll put the links to my Trifusion AI report in the description box as well. So that's basically it, guys. We're looking at the weekly chart. We're looking at an upper market structure of, in the near future, that FUBO may want to retest $4 a share. I think this is the market structure. Let's jump to the daily very briefly before I shoot off. There is another chart idea on the daily as well, which is very similar to this. It's still a bullish ascending channel idea, and it gives upper market structure testing towards $4 a share. I think we've got on the dailies, we can see, I think there's a cup and handle continuation pattern forming. I think it's bullish. I think you can see on the daily as well, guys, we can see more of this developing convergence of key EMAs, 21, 50, 100, 200. Looking good. Shout out. In fact, before I go, look at this idea here, guys. Look at this idea here. We've got a short-term bullish ascending channel idea, I think, forming. Sorry for going on like a broken record, guys. I love technical analysis. I obsess over it. Look, you see this? You see this convergence? Look, boom, let's translate it to 4 hour. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. What we're doing, guys, right? We're jumping from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour. Why are we doing that? We're doing it because we can track more short-term action when we go into these shorter time frames. Look at the way the 200's tracking on that with the 4 hour. It's like poetry in motion. I drew that idea, excuse me, originally on the weekly, then on the daily, and now we're translating to the 4 hour. May price want to retest lower levels before it goes back? Of course, price can do whatever it wants. I'm not saying that it's going to jump up immediately from this current level. Price moves like water, but in the grand scheme of things, we've got a really nice bullish short-term ascending channel idea. We've got a really nice medium bullish ascending channel idea, and we've got, when we zoom out to the weekly, a bullish ascending channel idea revealing, upper market structure in the relatively short term, where price may want to retest $4 a share. It's currently at $1.77. It retraced from the recent high of $2 and a bit a share that my methodologies and technical analysis predicted with precision. Guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Well, in the rest of your Sunday. The market's open tomorrow. I'll get off now. I'm waffling. Don't want to go on like a broken record too much. Please give us a like, a share, a retweet. It really helps the algorithm, helps us grow, and I'll get everything uploaded into the description box of the YouTube video, and then I'll embed it on X. Nearly said Twitter, but I'll embed it on X. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much.